Want to decorate Halloween cookies with me? I start with pumpkins, ghosts, and bats because they are so easy for kids to make, especially big kids like me. Use simple buttercream frosting in basic colors. Decorate the cookies. The googly eyes are so fun. And you will have the easiest, spookiest Halloween cookies that everyone will have fun making and even more fun eating.
Yum! These are so good.
Happy Halloween! For more recipes, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Boo!